Welcome back to my channel Synchro once again, and today's topic is functions of management. We have seen earlier in my videos about the objectives, features and nature of management. Today we will see the functions of management. As we know, management is an art of getting things done by others, and it is necessary for every organization regardless of its size, nature and functions. And all these functions have to be performed by the managers. So these functions are, first one is your planning. It is the very first function which is to be performed by every manager. Planning refers to deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is going to do it. Okay, planning bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to reach. It is like the course of action which is formulated by the manager in achieving that organization goal and target. Once your goals are decided by the organization, then a series of course of actions or the plans are made in achieving those targets. So basically planning is all about this. Okay, now next comes your organizing. After setting up the plan, the next function performed by the manager is to organize different activities of the organization and bringing together the financial, physical and human resources to achieve the organization goal. It is basically like establishing an organization structure. Organization structure here means then deciding that how many subunits or departments are needed, how many posts or designations are needed, the distribution of authority and responsibility among different people, and once these all decisions are taken, then your organizing function is done. So basically you can say that it is like combining or bringing together the materials, machines, tools, capital and personnel to set the things in action. Next comes your staffing. Yes, to get the things in action you need the personnel, and the manager performs this duty, which is the third step of the management function. It consists of the manpower planning, recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion and compensation. Staffing is nothing but it involves the finding the right person for the right job, having the right qualification and doing the right job at the right time. Whenever a company employs or recruit a particular person, he sees his qualification according to that job, whether he fits to that job or not. If he doesn't fit, he cannot perform his duties very well. That is why the right qualification is needed for the right job. If this is done, then he will perform his job very effectively and efficiently without wastage of less resources. So staffing is basically concerned with what the recruitment and the selection and the training and development of your personnel. How you motivate, how you give the promotion, how you give the compensation, how you are recruiting your personnel. So this is all about staffing. Next comes your directing. See, directing function is concerned basically with the instructing and motivating employees, supervising the activities and communicating with them to the achievement of organization goal. See, manager acts as a leader and performs its duties in this. In the words of William Newman, directing deals with the steps a manager takes to get subordinates and others to carry out plans. Once everything is done, your planning is done, your organizing is done, your staffing is done, the manager sees or directs or instructs the employees and communicate with them how we have to achieve that organizational objective or target. And this is what your directing is. And in this, manager acts as a leader and performs all duties in supervising, motivating and communicating with its employees while instructing them in how to achieve that organization goal or target. Next and the last function is of controlling, which is performed by the manager. It can be defined as comparison of actual performance with a planned performance, and if there is any deviation or difference, the reasons are found out and necessary measures or preventive measures are taken. For example, if the company has decided its organization goal that we have to achieve 1000 units, when 1000 units has to be manufactured within 1 month, then the plans are set out, everything is employed. And if you see that yes, we are going to achieve the 1000 units in 1 month, but there is a lot of wastage of resources. So it means what, that we are achieving the target but with the wastage of resources. So it will not be profitable for the organization. So what the manager does, he finds the deviation in the plan and he tries to strike out that difference which is creating the very wastage of resources. So it is called controlling. If your plan is in action, you have to control, you have to see whether that performance or whether that thing is going according to the plan or not. And if it is not going, then then the manager have to take the preventive measures or actions to ensure that the achievement of organization is going to be achieved within the time with less wastage of resources, and it is done with the effective and efficient manner. So this is what your controlling is. So these were your 5 functions of the management which is performed by every manager in the organization. I hope you have understand this session. If you have, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.